Hi, I'm Bocelli, and this is my documentary, Yellowstone's Rare Flower and Apex Predator. This documentary follows two remarkable species, the Yellowstone sand robina and the gray wolf. One endures in thermal stands, and the other restores balance across the land. The sand robina only blooms in Yellowstone in geothermal sands. The plant can self-pollinate or cross-pollinate via insects, mainly moths and bumblebees. Isolated populations and habitat threats make the species vulnerable to extinction. For its taxonomic classification, it belongs in the kingdom Plantae, and its plant type is angiosperm/dicot, going all the way down to its species name Abronia ammophila. The low-growing plant thrives in sandy soil and sometimes near thermal areas, which may aid its survival. Though once thought to be an annual, it's now known to be a perennial with a deep taproot. It blooms from mid-June until frost. Yellowstone sand robina occupies just 1.48 acres along Yellowstone's lake's north shore. The gray wolf, or Canis lupus, is a generalist predator. By the 1920s, it had vanished from Yellowstone, driven out of fear and livestock protection policy. But in 1995, they returned, not just as predators, but as healers. The gray wolf belongs in the kingdom Animalia in the phylum Chordata, all the way down to its species name, Canis lupus. With their presence, balance returned, as a graph by Smith and al. Shows elk population declined as of 1995. Herds once unchecked began to move. Willows and aspens recovered. Beavers came back, songbirds and fish. A trophic cascade had begun, and one apex predator had reshaped an entire ecosystem. What began as a single predator's return became a park-wide renewal, an ecological cascade rippling through every level of life, demonstrated in this cascade diagram, with the elk population decreasing due to the wolves being reintroduced, and also things like plants regrew, and beavers reshaped streams. Fewer coyotes meant more prey for other animals, and many other things. The Yellowstone sand verbena survives quietly rooted in geothermal sands. The gray wolf moves boldly, reshaping the land with his return. One endures in stillness, the other restores through motion. Together they reveal a deeper truth. Nature's strength lies in balance.